Welcome to the Fluent English Frontier Podcast, your space for learning real-life English with me, Maya. If you're a beginner, this episode is perfect for you. Today, I'll take you through 100 simple English sentences I personally use in my daily routine. You'll hear each sentence twice. Then I'll explain it simply, and then I'll say, "Repeat after me," and say the sentence once more. You'll repeat with me to improve your fluency. If you're ready, don't forget to like, share, comment your favorite sentence, and subscribe for more helpful English lessons. Let's begin. I wake up at 6 a.m. I wake up at 6 a.m. This means I open my eyes and stop sleeping at 6 in the morning. Repeat after me. I wake up at 6 a.m. Next, I stretch my body. I stretch my body. This means I move my arms and legs to wake up my muscles. Repeat after me. I stretch my body. Next, I check my phone. I check my phone. This means I look at my phone to see messages or the time. Repeat after me. I check my phone. Next, I get out of bed. I get out of bed. This means I leave the bed and stand up. Repeat after me. I get out of bed. Next, I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom. This means I walk into the bathroom. Repeat after me. I go to the bathroom. Next, I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. This means I clean my teeth with a toothbrush and toothpaste. Repeat after me. I brush my teeth. Next, I wash my face. I wash my face. This means I clean my face with water. Repeat after me. I wash my face. Next, I take a shower. I take a shower. This means I clean my whole body under running water. Repeat after me. I take a shower. Next, I use soap and shampoo. I use soap and shampoo. This means I wash my body with soap and my hair with shampoo. Repeat after me. I use soap and shampoo. Next, I dry myself with a towel. I dry myself with a towel. This means I use a towel to remove water from my skin. Repeat after me. I dry myself with a towel. Next, I comb my hair. I comb my hair. This means I use a comb or brush to fix my hair. Repeat after me. I comb my hair. Next, I get dressed. I get dressed. This means I put on clothes. Repeat after me. I get dressed. Next, I choose my outfit. I choose my outfit. This means I pick the clothes I want to wear today. Repeat after me. I choose my outfit. Next, I wear comfortable shoes. I wear comfortable shoes. This means I put on shoes that feel good to walk in. Repeat after me. I wear comfortable shoes. Next, I go to the kitchen. I go to the kitchen. This means I walk into the kitchen. Repeat after me. I go to the kitchen. Next, I make breakfast. I make breakfast. This means I prepare my morning meal. Repeat after me. I make breakfast. Next, I eat eggs and toast. I eat eggs and toast. This means I have eggs and bread for breakfast. Repeat after me. I eat eggs and toast. Next, I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water. This means I take water in a cup and drink it. Repeat after me. I drink a glass of water. Next, I have a cup of tea. I have a cup of tea. This means I drink tea in the morning. Repeat after me. I have a cup of tea. Next, I check the news. I check the news. This means I read or watch news updates. Repeat after me. I check the news. Next, I write my to-do list. I write my to-do list. This means I list all the things I need to do today. Repeat after me. I write my to-do list. Next, I pack my bag. I pack my bag. This means I put everything I need into my bag. Repeat after me. I pack my bag. Next, I check the time. I check the time. This means I look at the clock or my phone to see the hour. Repeat after me. I check the time. Next, I leave the house. I leave the house. This means I go outside from my home. Repeat after me. I leave the house. Next, I lock the door. I lock the door. This means I make sure the door is closed and secure. Repeat after me. I lock the door. Next, I walk to the bus stop. I walk to the bus stop. This means I go to the place where the bus picks me up. Repeat after me. I walk to the bus stop. Next, I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. This means I stand and stay until the bus comes. Repeat after me. I wait for the bus. Next, I listen to music. I listen to music. This means I use headphones to enjoy songs. Repeat after me. I listen to music. Next, I check my schedule. I check my schedule. This means I look at my plans or meetings for the day. Repeat after me. I check my schedule. Next, I arrive at work. I arrive at work. This means I reach the office or job location. Repeat after me. I arrive at work. Next, I greet my coworkers. I greet my coworkers. This means I say hello to the people I work with. Repeat after me. I greet my coworkers. Next, I turn on my computer. I turn on my computer. This means I press the power button to start working. Repeat after me. I turn on my computer. Next, I check my emails. I check my emails. This means I read new messages in my inbox. Repeat after me. I check my emails. Next, I reply to important messages. I reply to important messages. This means I answer emails that need attention. Repeat after me. I reply to important messages. Next, I attend a meeting. I attend a meeting. This means I join a group to talk about work. Repeat after me. I attend a meeting. Next, I take notes. I take notes. This means I write down important information. Repeat after me. I take notes. Next, I work on my tasks. I work on my tasks. This means I do the jobs I need to finish today. Repeat after me. I work on my tasks. Next, I take a short break. I take a short break. This means I stop for a few minutes to rest. Repeat after me. I take a short break. Next, I drink some coffee. I drink some coffee. This means I have a cup of coffee to feel more awake. Repeat after me. I drink some coffee. Next, I continue working. I continue working. This means I start again after a break. Repeat after me. I continue working. Next, I ask questions if needed. I ask questions if needed. This means I speak up when I need help. Repeat after me. I ask questions if needed. Next, I help my team. I help my team. This means I support others I work with. Repeat after me. I help my team. Next, I finish my work. I finish my work. This means I complete all my tasks. Repeat after me. I finish my work. Next, I turn off my computer. I turn off my computer. This means I shut down the machine. Repeat after me. I turn off my computer. Next, I say goodbye to my coworkers. I say goodbye to my coworkers. This means I leave the office politely. Repeat after me. I say goodbye to my coworkers. Next, I go home. I go home. This means I travel back to my house. Repeat after me. I go home. Next, I relax on the couch. I relax on the couch. This means I sit or lie down to rest. Repeat after me. I relax on the couch. Next, I change into pajamas. I change into pajamas. This means I put on night clothes. Repeat after me. I change into pajamas. Next, I cook dinner. I cook dinner. This means I prepare my evening meal. Repeat after me. I cook dinner. Next, I eat with my family. I eat with my family. This means I have dinner with people in my home. Repeat after me. I eat with my family. Next, I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. This means I clean plates, cups, and forks after eating. Repeat after me. I wash the dishes. Next, I watch TV. I watch TV. This means I relax by watching shows. Repeat after me. I watch TV. Next, I read a book. I read a book. This means I enjoy some quiet reading time. Repeat after me. I read a book. Next, I check my phone again. I check my phone again. This means I look at updates or messages. Repeat after me. I check my phone again. Next, I write in my journal. I write in my journal. This means I write about my thoughts or day in a notebook. Repeat after me. I write in my journal. Next, I take a warm shower. I take a warm shower. This means I clean my body again before bed. Repeat after me. I take a warm shower. Next, I brush my teeth again. I brush my teeth again. This means I clean my teeth before sleeping. Repeat after me. I brush my teeth again. Next, I turn off the lights. I turn off the lights. This means I make the room dark. Repeat after me. I turn off the lights. Next, I get into bed. I get into bed. This means I lie down to sleep. Repeat after me. I get into bed. Next, I set my alarm. I set my alarm. This means I choose a time for my phone or clock to wake me. Repeat after me. I set my alarm. Next, I say a prayer. I say a prayer. This means I talk to God before sleeping. Repeat after me. I say a prayer. Next, I close my eyes. I close my eyes. This means I get ready to sleep. Repeat after me. I close my eyes. Next, I fall asleep. I fall asleep. This means I start sleeping. Repeat after me. I fall asleep. Great job practicing all 60 daily routine sentences with me. These are real expressions I use every day. And now you can use them too. The more you repeat them, the more natural they will sound. Which one was your favorite? Comment below. Be sure to like this episode, share it with friends, and subscribe to the Fluent English Frontier Podcast so you don't miss our next practice together. Until next time, keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep growing in English. Goodbye for now.